Regret is an enemy that pinch us till the end of our life. Regret is basically feeling of sadness. It makes us disappointed for something we do wrong or mistake, and also for something which we could not do. Regret is okay or acceptable until it become or it converted into guilt, because guilt is more intense and that has impact on our health. But up to certain level of regret is okay, because that give opportunity to improve or do better. So we heard that most of the people who at the last stage of their life, when they are on deathbed or when they are about to leave this planet, they have the regret. Most of the people have the regret of not doing something, or mostly it will be related to relationship, not about the money, wealth, position. Most of the people, the regret they have, that comes to related to relationship, meeting some family members, not able to express something they are feeling for someone, could not meet, or something connected to their root. So that is how they live. The most of the people, they live this planet with the feeling of regret. Some desire are unfulfilled, and that is how they go to they leave this planet, and even in the next birth also they have that desire, the unfulfilled desire from previous life, and that is how life after life people are living. So to eliminate the regret or avoid the regret, what can be done is that, first of all, the acceptance. Anytime, any moment, if you are thinking that I could not do something or I did mistake, remember that in whatever scenario you was, the decision you decision you took, and whatever you did, that was the best possible things you could do at that scenario, that time. That was the best thing you did. So don't feel bad about that. In future also, whatever will happen, it will happen the best according to the scenario. So also don't regret about something you could not do, right? Then also just access or evaluate that your regret or self hatred feeling, how it is helping you. So when you see this, there is no reason of regret. And also be in gratitude. If you are start being in gratitude or grateful for whatever has happened, whatever is happening, and whatever will happen, then there is no scope of regret if you are grateful. So remember to accept the things and gratitude. This will reduce the regret. Thank you very much for watching this video. I am Dharmendra Kumar. By profession, I am a success habit coach. Thank you.